Ciao, quick video. When do you tear down and restart your cursor project? And this is my advice to people who are newer to coding with AI or Bolt. Sometimes you're starting a project, get some really good progress, but maybe a week, maybe a month down the line, you're patching different holes, going around in circles. You understand what you need to do, but you've built a lot of what you would call tech debt, where you've just got a lot of dust collecting in your project. It can be very messy. Things might not work very smooth. Maybe your database setup is completely weird. Who knows? When should you just tear it down and start again? I can answer that with a story about a product. One of my first big products I built was an AI user research tool. I spent about 2-3 months building this project, and the idea was that you upload a bunch of user transcripts and then you can chat to it, you can ask AI and get served quotes from users. And I spent a long time building it, and this was when I was really getting into building with Cursor. And I sat down one day and I just got a bit fed up with the state of the project, and I thought, okay, let's try and rebuild this. So again, like 1 or 2 months worth of work. Essentially, I ended up actually rebuilding it in 2 or 3 days and getting it to a really good spot. Project file was super clean. And I think the big reason here is because I understood what I needed to do. I'd gone through the learnings, I'd gone through all the mess, and then I came out of that with a super clear idea of what I need to do, what the tech stack needs to be, how the project needs to be set up, how the user experience should flow. And again, 1, 2, 3 days with a clear outline with Claude, for example, and using Composer, we were able to pretty much dive straight in and get it to a really good point that was a lot nicer to work on. So I think that's something to think about for your project. If at a certain point where things are a bit messy, what you can do is take stock, understand the key things you want to keep from your project, and then see if you can get that to a good point in a short amount of time, just by understanding and keeping the good stuff and then getting rid of all the bad stuff. There's definitely some other things to consider, but just thought I'd share learning from my experience in case it helps you out. If you want any other tips, do check out my YouTube channel. I've got some more stuff on there. So yeah, all the best.